So this is the TP-Link Tapo C210 Wi-Fi camera with motion detection and notifications, 3 megapixel high definition and a night vision, plus a micro SD card slot support. This is definitely a camera worth checking out. This is the TP-Link Tapo model C210 camera. It is a pan and tilt home security Wi-Fi camera. TP-Link is the world's #1 Wi-Fi product provider for consecutively 9 years. So we're going to unbox this camera and set it up with a review as well. So here are the package contents. It has got the Tapo C210 camera, the DC power adapter, the quick start guide with a general public license notice. It has got the mounting screws as well as the camera base and the mounting template. Now the mounting template is very useful if you need to mount this camera on the wall. It's very thoughtful of TP-Link to provide the templates in the package contents. Next, plug the DC adapter into a wall socket, and for the other end of the cable, plug it into the power port on the camera located at the back. Once that is done, turn on the power at the wall socket. Once the camera has initialized, you can see that the LED is blinking green and red. You are now ready to download the Tapo app to set up the camera itself. Download the Tapo app from Apple Play Store or Google Play Store. So from the Play Store, do a search for Tapo. Install the app. Once the app is downloaded and installed, open the app. We need to accept the policy and terms of use. Let's continue. We need to set up a TP-Link ID. So let's sign up an account. We need to activate the account. Go to your email to activate the account. Once activated, go back to the app. We need to add our camera. Select Tapo C210. Go to Next. We need to enable location. Go to Next. Let's connect. Select your network. Key in the Wi-Fi password. Go to Next.
connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Connect to Wi-Fi to pair your Tapo device. Do note, the camera only supports 2.4 GHz, but on our phone, we have connected it to the 5 GHz, and hence, this UI is telling us to connect our Wi-Fi to pair our Tapo device. So let's connect our phone to 2.4 GHz. Once it's connected to the 2.4 GHz, you'll find that it has detected our device. You can name your device. Go to Next. You can set the location. The setup is complete. We can use a SD card to do a local recording. We can use some third-party services. We'll select maybe later. So let's check out the Tapo app. Tap on the camera. So do note that we are seated directly behind the camera. Let's do a pan and tilt. So the camera is facing me. Let's tilt the other way. You can see that it has detected motion. Also, the camera view range is 360 degrees, which is remarkable for a Wi-Fi camera. You can also set the privacy mode on. Let's turn the camera back on. You can do a voice call. You can also talk through the app itself. You need to hold to talk. Hello.
Hello.
Let's try the alarm. You can turn the alarm on, and if it detects a motion, let's see what happens. That's the alarm function. Then you can also expand the image itself. You can actually pinch on the phone to zoom in. You can also set the volume of the camera's microphone. You can do a recording or even take a snapshot. And with the Tapo app, you can add up to 4 cameras. Let's check out the settings. You can invert the image if you are mounting it on the ceiling itself. You can see now the image is inverted. Let's set it back. You can turn the status LED on or off. For detection and alerts, you can have motion detection, you can have activity notifications. So currently the activity notifications is turned on, and whenever there's a motion detected, it will pop up on your app itself, on your phone. You can turn on reach notifications. When enabled, the camera will send an image notification when it sees a person. And you can send the notifications to send it always or at a custom time that you can set. We'll leave it as always. This camera also supports a micro SD card of up to 256 gig. For the video quality, the default is Full HD video, but you can set it to 3 megapixel if needed. Let's take a look at the night mode to see how well this camera functions in the dark. It is now at night, and you can see that you're still able to monitor the rabbit house. Let's turn the lights back on. So this is the TP-Link Tapo C210 Wi-Fi camera with motion detection and notifications, 3 megapixel high definition and a night vision, plus a micro SD card slot support. This is definitely a camera worth checking out.